Hey guys, so how did we do today? Let me show you how to work the level B system and we'll recap the day as well. Today was Monday. Here are the levels. They were released at 9:14 before the market opens here. You would go to the settings tab and you check them all out. Now we're on NASDAQ right here, so we'd scroll down to NASDAQ and get the overall playbook and levels here. Now, we give you where we stand, what we can expect at the open. We discuss the playbook, what we like to see as far as zones touching and the shifts at each zone. And then we talk about those key areas for selling, reactivates, where that's going to kick in. We also give you the roadmap of what we like to see as far as market structure, what could impact volatility, how we see the market from our point of view, our lens, right? And then we give you the breakdown of the levels so that you can map them out yourself. We'll do some key takeaways, and then we'll break it all down level by level so that you can see it. But here's the simple of it right here. This red line, this is called the LIS. We've discussed that many times. This zone here is called a variance zone. These are proprietary levels. We distill about 30 different KPIs to get these levels. It's a combination of so many things, and we need the data in order to come up with these levels. Volume, volatility is in there. So many things is in there. So here's the market right here, 2463750. This was indicated before the market opens. Our rules are very simple to our system. We do have a full training on our training page. The first 4 modules completely free. You can walk away with the training. You can use this with any system. This is a leading indicator. So the idea is if we break and hold underneath the LIS line here, that is shorts or that's going to be sell pressure. We confirmed that on the tape. We also have tape reading training, right? And so that's included in the masterclass, that preliminary tape reading. If you want to do a deeper dive, you can do that as well in further trainings. But this right here, this means that we're going to go down, basically. And we're taking it level to level. We're taking to our next target. We won't see a shift in volume until we get to our variance zone. The variance zone is very, very simple. This is where you are going to see a reversal, trap, or stall. This, in a word, is the primary target for the move when you see aggression like this. We're on the 15-minute chart. This is a massive move, significant profits, and keep in mind it was there before the market. So although you see VWAP catching up to this area, how would you like to have something on your screen that gives you the parameters that you can use in confluence with any system? Now, of course, we're not gurus. We don't make decisions for you. But for those who are serious traders, they're using our system, and they're using it for confluence. They're using it for their targets. And we provide everything you need in order to crush SPX, ES, QQQ, and NQ. If you want to use it along with your system, you can. If you want to use our system, you can. The idea is that our indicators give you really what's happening in the market. So this is the Level Beast market map indicator. You couple that with the Level Beast multi-anchor VWAP with ATR Advantage, and we've got a winning system. So we really are proud of the levels today. We're proud of where things went today. If we were to snap down to the 4 chart, you'll see it's same thing off our magnet levels there on ES, same thing on SPX, right? Variant zone shows the reversal. You can get extreme harmony across the entire market with our indicator, plus know if it's exhausted, more to come. Beautiful things coming down the road, guys. Volume-based and more intel and data analytics that we're going to provide for our community. The community is continuing to grow. Our network is growing. And so it takes us about 2.5 hours right now to distill data for these 4 stocks, real people, real data analytics that we're releasing to the public. Here's what we're saying. We're saying we have a system. We have analytics. You can use it with your system in any way you want. And we're simply sharing that with the public. And as we continue to grow, we will release more tickers in our system, right? But we can only do 4 at a time in this indicator. And it's been really, really awesome, guys. So this is how the day went today. We're going to do recaps as much as we can to show you how to work the indicator. Also inside of the indicator, if you were to look at the settings tab at the bottom, we're going to be updating the how to use the indicator. You can go to the site, watch all the videos, free training there to show you how to use the indicator. We've got documentation on it. But more than that, super simple to understand and to crush this thing every single day. How about that? How about if you had on your screen the levels marked up before the market opened, you had a data analytics team that you could use. You could use it for confluence. You could use it to enhance your trade entries and exits. And then you could use it to know where the market is hiding. Happy trading, guys. See you tomorrow.